The currency, the rand, continues to top recent 10-month highs. It touched 13 rand 20 to the dollar today. The last time the rand was as strong was in October last year, before it weakened to an incredible 17 rand to the dollar towards the end of last year after ructions in the finance ministry. The rand has received a boost from the recent election results, as well as global factors that are conspiring for a change in South Africa's favour.
Emerging market currencies like the rand have been buoyed by investor interest in investing money in financial markets with more attractive interest rates. This as developed bond markets offer relatively low interest rate returns. The other factor that's influencing improved emerging market currencies is the expectation that the US Fed Reserve is unlikely to raise rates anytime soon. This has the effect of weakening the dollar and in turn strengthening emerging market currencies.
Our currency on what they call a purchasing power of parity, basically where you compare the cost of one good in one country compared to the cost in another country. We've shown that the rand has been too weak by 15 to 20% depending on what measurements you've been using, and this year we've seen the rand get back to where it's meant to be valued. So I think it's more of a case that emerging markets last year were very out of favour. The US last year was almost guaranteed to be raising interest rates, and everyone was pulling money out of emerging markets, putting it into developed markets, and now people are realising that interest rates going up is going to take a lot longer in developed markets. There's almost no yield there, like you're saying earlier, and emerging markets are now becoming more of a flavour again, and you're just seeing the money flow, and I think that's what's been happening on the rand.
With the rand strengthening and oil prices declining, there's a possibility that the South African economy could be further cushioned by lower fuel prices in the coming months. Nompumelelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.